Drink lemon water every day, but don't make the same mistake as millions. A huge number of people around the world drink lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach. This morning routine is highly justified considering the fact that lemon water is a potent beverage that can improve your overall health and treat numerous ailments as well. Doctors also recommend this incredible drink because of its benefits. Lemons are an amazingly beneficial fruit and are loaded with numerous vitamins and nutrients that can strengthen the immune system and prevent numerous diseases and conditions. This fruit is also a great source of antioxidants, essential oils and other nutrients that boost the general health. Thanks to the presence of lemon and all of its nutrients, lemon water is highly efficient against bacterial infections and can reinforce the immune system. If you drink this beverage in the morning before breakfast, it will help you boost the function of your digestive system, reduce the acidity in your body and regulate the pH levels, effectively preventing a variety of ailments. Drink just 1 cup of lemon water a day and you will take in all the vitamin C your body needs on a daily basis, besides the other beneficial nutrients. Everyone does know that drinking lemon water is very good, but not everyone knows that the lemon peel should also be used. Scientists say that the peel is even more beneficial than the fruit itself. People usually just squeeze the lemon juice out of the fruit and then throw out the remains. But this is the wrong way to utilize the lemon, as the peel of this fruit offers a number of health benefits on its own. If you want to prepare the perfect lemon water, cut a few lemons in half and then squeeze them in a glass and grate the peel. Do not throw any part of it, just add everything to the glass and pour some hot or cold water in. Experts explain that warm lemon water is good for improving the digestion in the morning, and it does that almost right away. It also prevents insulin spikes that can contribute to developing diabetes. If you drink this amazing beverage every morning, you will improve the function of the gastrointestinal tract and let the food move faster through your body, which will lead to faster weight loss. The secret has been revealed, so now, it is up to you to make sure that you won't make the same mistake as previously. Enjoy this incredible beverage and very soon you will also feel its amazing health benefits.